Hello, it is Isaac from Wood Designer. I have been forwarded this cabinet and asked how this could become a regular setup. So what I'm looking at is a single cabinet in the cabinet mode that's actually being split into different sections. And we're needing it to be split into cabinets here. So multiple cabinets, technically in a single cabinet in the cabinet mode. So this can be set up, and this can be set up quite quickly using our manufacturing methods and our sub methods. So what I'm going to do is start a new cabinet, and I'm also going to start a new manufacturing method. And let's have a look at how this can be done. And I'm going to label this manufacturing method, this new one, let's say our multi-method cabinet, something like that, or multi-cabinet method, sorry. Multi-cabinet method, let's go with that. Now, let's first set up our overall dimensions, and let's say our cabinet is going to be 1800 millimeters in height by 2.5 meters in length. And what I would like is to add different components and to have them come in how I would manufacture them. So let's say in this run, I'm going to add 2 different uprights, and I would like them to be separated now into 3 separate cabinets. So first and foremost, I'm going to come into my divisions rules, and I'm going to make a new divisions rule for this one. And I'll call it my multi-cabinet rule. And I'm going to say that when I add my vertical divisions, or my uprights, I would like them to be through, and I would like them to be through over both the top and bottom panel of my cabinets. Also, let's put them through the back of the cabinets. And I'll press OK. And now you'll see that whenever I add these, automatically they're going to cut through the top panel, the back panel, and the bottom panel of my cabinets. Additionally, I'm going to go edit and make a thickness split on that component. And what I'm going to do is come to my tools here and add that structure to the library. And I'm going to say a multi-upright, something like that, whatever I'd like to name that. And I'm now going to go into my material style sub-method. I'll make a new one again. I'll just call it my multi-cabinet. I can add all the type of materials I want. And in my structures tab, again, I'm going to add a new rule. And I'm going to say whenever I have my fixed uprights, I want to use my multi-upright structure that we just made. Just like that. And now what you'll see is if I update my manufacturing method to use both of those sub-methods, my multi and my multi divisions, like this, now this is going to be much easier for me. Whenever I have a brand new cabinet, I come into my manufacturing method for my multi-cabinet, put in my sizes, and now I add my uprights. It's automatically going to split them for me. It's going to add 2 and split my cabinets. So now this will be manufactured as 3 separate cabinets. And I could go further. In this example one, you can see all of those shelves are double. Again, I could do the same by adding a shelf, making it a double shelf. So let's go a thickness split. I could save that as a structure and apply that in my material styles method as I did here. And if this is the way in which you're manufacturing, it's going to be much, much faster to make multiple cabinets in a single cabinet mode in PolyBoard. I hope that's been clear and helpful, and thank you for watching.